Hi everybody, my name is Dandy, and well, this is my first video. I found a hack for my Hobonichi Weeks. So this is my Hobonichi Mega Weeks for 2019. I'm going to use it as a financial planner where I list, the things I bought, things I need to pay, etc., and keep some receipts. Now, my only issue while I've been using this for the past few days is there's no lock or an enclosure. Now, I've been checking online for several hacks and found one from Seaweed Kisses. Seaweed Kisses in YouTube. That I think would work for me. So today we went to Power Plant and True Values open. Good thing that they're open. And found this. It's velcro hangables. And it's for 235 pesos for 8 pieces. Here we go. It's perfect. It's clear. Just what I need. So let's try it. See, it's the perfect size. Okay. So we will attach one here. Oh, let's put the pen first to make sure that the space is good. Okay. So it should be in here. Well, it will cover the design of the COC, but it's fine. Okay. So let's put this here. And then this one here. All right, here we go. I'm scared. Okay. Okay, sorry. I think, yeah, this should be here. Sorry about that. Because this one is clear. And this one has a sticker. So we don't want that in this design. So this should be the one here. Okay. Where's the sticky part? Alright, here. I'm scared. Okay, there's no turning back. That's it. And okay, I'll just stick it here. Oh my gosh. Okay. And voila. It's done. So now I have a lock. I can open it and close it anytime I want. Yay! So I'm ready. 2019. Happy New Year, everybody. Hope that you guys can learn, well, somewhat, pass on the hack for this enclosure. All right. Bye.